Holy shit! Do that again! Do that again! Do that again! Yeah, that was sick.
I'm gonna clack on the fork.
Dude, that was so. You got air.
Yeah, I know. It's the fork faded.
You gotta see this. Holy shit.
Oh, there goes my headlight. You did it for YouTube. Are you alright?
You okay, man?
You didn't hit yourself, right? No.
Shit.
I'm fine.
Get up. Holy shit.
I'm a fucking idiot.
Oh shit, get the kickstand down.
Let's go on the gas.
Oh fuck.
Oh, the lights just still work. Oh, that's like busted up. Darn it. I'm not getting shit for this anymore.
Are you alright though?
I'm fine. I'm completely fine.
You sure? That didn't work.
No, I think he like hit the bike and then flew off the side, right?
Yeah. That looks work.
Holy shit, dude.